Here's my MM80. It's running a stock carburetor with a 37 jet. And it's been running absolutely perfectly. Starts right up. No governor. 18-pound Honda valve springs. On cast aluminum 10K rated flywheel. I haven't changed this carb because it runs so perfect. I'm going to carefully take it off and I'm going to try this 21mm PWK carb to see how it runs. Bought a 26mm and I could never get it to run right. Every time I went smaller in carb, it runs better. I believe this is a 17mm carb from the factory, so a 21mm should be an acceptable jump for a fairly stock, ungoverned engine. Let's give it a shot and hope for the best. Got an extra twist throttle there, so I'm gonna need a push-pull throttle cable. See how it goes. Well, ran out of sunlight, but there she is. Looks good. Haven't started it up yet. I still kept all this throttle linkage assembly from the stock carb in case this doesn't work out for me. Put the idle up a little. Very snappy. Well, we got sunlight. Gonna give this guy a shot. Again, it's a 21mm PWK carburetor. Has a 32 pilot and a 115 main jet. Seat clip is set in the middle. Ungoverned engine. Governor removed internally. 18-pound Honda valve springs and 10K rated cast aluminum flywheel. I'm running a 48 tooth 40 pitch chain clutch in the sprocket in the back, and let's give it a shot. Take it, 55 miles an hour. Well, every setup is different. Some people have the same or similar setup and they're able to hit 60 miles an hour. Some hit 65. Again, every engine reacts differently to different modifications. In my case, I believe I'm at the mercy of whatever my valve train will limit the RPM to. And with the ratios I have now and the tire size and the 48 sprocket in the back, I think this engine only wants to give me 55 miles an hour. But you know what? The throttle response and the mid-range on this carburetor compared to the stock 17mm carburetor is day and night. Definitely recommend this. I would recommend 21mm over the 26 or the 24mm. I think though that's too much carb for pretty much stock engines that are ungoverned. I would still consider this primarily a stock engine. despite the valve springs and the governor removed. But yeah, I like it. I'm happy with it. Anything more than that, I'm getting greedy. I'm happy with it.